Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The hormone that supports pregnancy and stimulate mammary glands for the formation of alveoli for storing milk is secreted from. In this question, the key concept is the key concept is hormones. Basically, if we talk about hormones, these are the chemical messengers. These are the chemical messengers that are directly transferred into the bloodstream, which performs various functions of growth, metabolism, etc., and various other physiological process, etc., like the growth, like the metabolism, like so many things, thyroid stimulating hormone. So these have so many functions in maintaining thyroid, in maintaining height, in maintaining everything is responsible for the hormone. So basically these mechanism of hormone is quite slow mechanism. नाउ क्वेश्चन में हमसे कहा गया है द हार्मोन दैट सपोर्ट्स प्रेगनेंसी एंड स्टिम्युलेट्स मेमोरी ग्लैंड फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ alveoli for storing milk. So basically, if we talk about this, so there is a hormone, or we can say there is corpus luteum. Corpus luteum. What does this corpus luteum do? It basically is a yellowish thick mass. It is a yellowish thick mass. And what does it do? It basically secretes progesterone and estrogen, both of which maintains the endometrium. And this endometrium in turn maintains pregnancy. This in turn maintains pregnancy. This corpus luteum is secreted by luteinizing hormone, that is the LH. So over here ये जो progesterone होता है which is secreted by corpus luteum at the time of pregnancy, it maintains pregnancy. But after the baby is delivered, yani after parturition, what does it do? After parturition, it basically forms alveoli. It forms alveoli so that which results in the formation of the milk, which results in formation of milk. So over here जो हमसे पूछा गया है that that supports pregnancy and formation of the alveoli for storing milk, तो हमारा इस कंडीशन में हमारा करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज द कॉर्पस ल्यूटियम. नाउ ऑप्शंस में दे रखा है हमें एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी, तो दीज एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी सेक्रीट सेवरल हार्मोन्स लाइक टीएसएच हो गया, थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन, growth hormone, gonadotropin releasing hormone that secretes two hormone mainly, that is the FSH and LH, etc. Moving to the posterior pituitary, it secretes mainly two hormones, that is oxytocin and vasopressin. Vasopressin. So basically, if, this posterior pituitary secretes two hormone. If we talk about Graafian follicle, these are actually secreted by these are the follicles around the ovary that develops ovum. It basically develops ovum. So over here, the correct answer is option D. Hope you guys understand. Thank you.